Are you okay? Why are you walking around like that? Why are you running around? Okay, so it is the June 2026 epoch, officially June 1st. It's been a very slow day for me, but that's kind of the point. And part of me just now wanted to go for a walk, just because I'm kind of bored. But then I thought about it. I don't really want to. And I'm just thinking about how I can best be productive and use my time well. Because I'm done tracking my steps entirely. Completely done with it. I don't care what they are anymore. And I'm redirecting that mental bandwidth to other things. But what exactly, I'm not sure yet. I'm really just taking it easy. I have today off, I have tomorrow off. Oh, another thing I'm doing, I'm gonna try to stop caffeine entirely, just in case it's been messing with my sleep. I want to get back to getting really, really good sleep like I was a few weeks ago. So I'm gonna try to cut the caffeine out and just settle into this new period of intentionality, if that makes sense, where I'm not, trying so hard to walk so much. And yeah, I'm just taking it easy, thinking about getting small wins for the day, Also, I'm trying to take a long-term perspective on things. So like, does today suck? Yeah, it does. Does my life suck? Yeah, it does. Is that going to change anytime soon? It could, probably not. But that's okay, because we got to think about where our actions today will lead us by the end of the year and a year from now. Okay? That's how you got to be thinking, right? And so even though my current situation sucks and today's going to be boring or whatever, I am eating well, sober, I'm healthy. Everything is working towards a better future, right? And that takes time to arrive. But I'm firmly well on the path to a much brighter future. And even though I don't know exactly how I'm going to get there, I know I'm on the path towards one. And that's more important than anything else. You don't have to solve everything in one day. What's important is that you're on a good trajectory, which I absolutely am. So that being said, I may still go for a walk if I feel like it. But my body is tired from the month of May doing all of that physical activity. I'm just a tired person. My back and my legs are tight. So, yeah, just taking it easy today. Which that's necessary sometimes. And I've always said this to people when people ask me for advice or ask me for motivation or help. I'm like, dude, as long as you're not doing anything that will set you back, then you really shouldn't be that worried. Like, you shouldn't always be worried about making progress. As long as you're not regressing you can probably be pretty happy with where you're at. So I've raised my baseline. I weighed, what, 182 today. I haven't had any alcohol since April 9th. That means I'm coming up on 2 months now. Paying my debt down. Healthy, the full 9. Things are in motion and going well. Oh, I'm just laying here. And I'm gonna go for a walk because I'm bored. I kind of have a headache and stuff, but is everyone just super lonely? I feel like everyone's super lonely. I think society's super messed up, man. Yeah, I think everything's messed up. Are you okay? Why are you walking around like that? Why are you running around? Are you sick or something? Yeah, you're sick. Or damaged or something. I'm sorry, bro. I'll be praying for you, man. There's no one out, guys. No one out whatsoever. And I just wanted to record this idea that I had. If you can just make one improvement every day, you're golden. For example, today for me, I'm not taking any caffeine. That should greatly improve my sleep quality. That's enough, man, that's enough. I also already uploaded a video today. You know, sometimes it's slow, but still working towards where I want to be. The lights are on today. It's about 10:30. I've come to the conclusion that I like going to bed earlier, man. That's what I learned in these last several weeks. I love going to bed early. I love getting up early. So I'm gonna have to do something about that with my work schedule. But we'll figure that out later. I just got done cleaning my teeth. I love it. I love clean teeth, man. There's few things I like more than having clean teeth and not having to worry about any of the problems that might come along with them not being clean. But I killed it today. Great first day of June. I really like where I'm at. I'm excited as the days proceed to have shifted gears from the endurance challenge to whatever I end up focusing on. But yeah, I killed it today. I hope you killed it today. If you didn't, you can kill it tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good night.